So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to use split screen option in Android. So without wasting any more time, let's get start our video. So firstly you need to open two apps in your mobile phone. I just opened, one is Chrome and another one is WhatsApp. Now just go to recent tabs and long press on the first application. I just long press on Chrome and click on split screen option. So after that you just need to select second option in your recent tabs. So this is how you can open split screen in OnePlus mobiles. So you can follow these procedure in all OnePlus mobiles, and if your mobile is Realme or Oppo, then the process may be changed. So this is how you can open split screen option in OnePlus mobiles. So thank you for watching.